الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم
بسم اللہ الحمد للہ والصلاة والسلام علی رسول اللہ رب زدنی علما. So you are going to repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
I am just reading. As we did yesterday, this lesson, I think we did three lines, first 3 lines, and we discussed that harakat. There are 3 harakat: fatha, dhamma, kasra. Fatha, kasra, dhamma. Fatha, kasra, dhamma.
Dhamma.
So if this symbol comes on the letter on top, this is fatha. If it comes under the letter below it, so this is
Dhamma.
kasra.
Kasra.
Or
And the
this
other
one
one,
is different. Yeah, this one is different. So it comes up and it looks different. And this is dhamma.
Dhamma. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to just spell the word, spell these letters, and we have to remember the sounds. Very important thing. Like we know this is Hamza. This letter is Hamza. Hamza in shape of alif, alif, and on top Hamza. Then on Hamza there is Fatha. So we are going to spell. First we have to read the letter. Then we have to read that haraka. Like Hamza, Fatha. Now the sound. This is
Ha.
A. A is the sound. Hamza, Fatha, A.
Hamza, Fatha, A.
Yes. Hamza, Kasra, I.
Hamza, Kasra, I.
Hamza, Dhamma, U.
Hamza, Dhamma, U.
Now the sounds are A, I, U.
A, I, U.
Yes. Then Ha, Fatha, Ha.
Ha, Fatha, Ha.
The sound of Fatha goes up. Ha, Fatha, Ha.
Ha, Fatha, Ha.
The sound of Kasra goes down. Ha, Kasra, Hi.
Ha, Kasra, Hi.
Ha, Dhammahu. Just straight. The
Ha,
sound goes straight.
Hu.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
The letter is Ain. So Ain,
Ain,
Fatha, A.
Ha.
Yes.
Ain,
Ain,
Fatha,
Fatha, A. Okay.
Ha.
Ain, Kasra, I.
Kasra. Ain, Dhamma, U.
Okay.
Ra, Hu.
A, I, U.
Ra, I, U.
Very good, mashallah. Yeah, you got it. Now, the sound of Fatha. Read it.
Ha,
I'm gonna
ha,
count.
ha, ha.
Yes.
Kasra, Hi. Ha,
Yes.
Dhamma, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu.
Very good.
Ain, Ain, Fatha, Kha. Ain,
Ghain, Fatha, Gha. Gha.
Ain, Ain, Fatha, Kha.
Yes.
Ain, Kasra, Ghi. Ain, Dhamma, Hu. Ra, Khi, Hu. Ha, Khi, Hu.
Gha, Ghi, Ghu. Gha, Ghi, Ghu.
Ha, Fatha, Ha.
This one is not Ha. It has a dot on top.
I forgot that one.
If anywhere this letter comes and without the dot, so that this is Ha, Ha,
Ha.
Ha. Or if the dot is under it, like it's a stomach, Jim. And if the
Yeah.
dot on top, this is Ha, Ha,
Ha.
Ha. Yes.
Ha,
So this
Fatha,
one is
Ha.
Ha. Yeah.
Ha, Kasra, Khi.
Yep.
Dhamma, Hu. Ha, Khi.
Yes. Ha, Khi, Khu.
Ha, Khi, Hu.
Very good. Next.
Qaf, Ka. Qaf, Kasra, ki,
Yep.
ko dhamma ku, ka ki ku,
Make it
ka
heavy. Make it heavy. The sound is good, but you have to make it more heavy. Qaqiqu.
ko ki ku,
Yes, this one is simple.
kaf fatha ka, kaf kasra ki, kaf dhamma ku, ka ki ku,
Okay.
jim ja, jim kasra ji, jim dhamma ju, ja ji ju,
Yeah.
sin fatha sa, sin
Sheen,
kasra
like Sheen. The sound is sheen, sheen, sheen.
shin, shin fatha sha, shin kasra shi, shin dhamma shu, shashi shu,
Yes,
ya
perfect.
ya, ya kasra yi, ya dhamma yu, ya yi yu,
Yeah, I'm just drawing these lines like fatha sound goes up, kasra sound goes down, dhamma
yes,
sound goes straight.
okay.
Okay.
That one is fa, right?
This one is sad with the dot. Sad with the dot.
Sad,
Yes. Dad fatha da.
sad fatha sad fatha sa, sad
Dad fatha da. Dad
dot
fatha da.
dot fatha da, dot kasra di, dot fatha du, da di
Dad.
du,
This one is dhamma. Da dhamma du.
dot dhamma du,
Hmm.
dot di du,
Yep.
lam fatha la, lam kasra li, lam dhamma lu,
Hmm.
la li lu, nun fatha la, nun fatha na, nun kasra ni, nun dhamma nu, na ni nu, ra fatha ra, ra را کسرا ری، را دما رو، را ری رو، تا فتحہ تا، تا کسرا تی، تا دما تو، تا تی تو،
Make it heavy. Qa,
تو
ti, tu.
تو تی تو،
Don't make a jerk. Don't make a jerk. Just simple. Qa, ti, tu.
تو تی تو،
Yes.
دال فتحہ دا، دال کسرا دی، دال دما دو، دا دی دو، تا
Yes.
فتحہ تا،
Ta.
تا
Now this is simple. Ta, fatha, ta.
تا فتحہ تا، تا کسرا تی، تا دما تو، تا تی تو،
Yes.
صاد دم، صاد دما، صاد فتحہ سا،
Mm-hmm.
صاد کسرا سی، صاد دما سو، سا سی سو،
Make it heavy. Sa, si, su.
صا سی سو، سین فتحہ سا، سین کسرا سی، سین دما سو، سا سی سو. What's that one? I forgot.
Za,
Fa.
za,
What's that?
za. Z sound.
ذا، ذا فتحة ذا، ذا كسرة زي، ذا ضمة زو، ذا زي زو،
Yes.
ذا، ذا فتحة ذا، ذا كسرة زي، ذا ضمة زو، ذا زي زو،
No jerk. No jerk. Za, zi, zu.
ذا زي زو.
If we say za, zi, it means like za, fatha, hamza, sukun. Za, za. No. Za, zi, zu.
ذا زي زو.
Yeah, this one is soft. Zal. Zal, fatha, za.
ذا الفتحة ذا، ذا الكسرة ذي، ذا الكسرة ذو، ذا
Zal,
زو،
zal, dhamma, zu.
ذال دمازو، ذا ذي ذو،
Hmm.
تا فتحة تا،
This
Ta.
one has 3 dots, no ta. Ta has 2 on top. This was ta. This one has 3 dots. Sa. This one is sa. Sa.
Ta. Sa
Yes.
fatha. Sa kasra si. Sa kasra su.
Sa. Why you are saying it kasra? This is dhamma.
Masu. Sa si su.
Yes. Next. Your friend with
Fa.
one dot.
Fa. Fa kasra
Yes.
fi. Fa kasra fi.
Yes.
Fa mafu. Fa fi fu.
Yep.
Mim fatha ma.
This one is
Mim
not meme.
waw.
Yes.
Waw fatha wa. Waw kasra vi. Waw dhamma vu. Va vi vu. Ba fatha ba. Ba kasra bi. Ba dhamma bu. Ba bi bu. Mim fatha ma. Mim kasra mi. Mim dhamma mu. Ma mi mu.
Yes. MashaAllah. So if you have time, we can start this one.
Yes, little.
You have time?
Yes.
Let's start. I am making this line. Like this one is
Fatha.
fatha. This one is
Kasra.
kasra. And this one is
Dhamma.
dhamma. If I make it double, so fathatain, kasratain, and dhammatain. Okay?
Yes.
Like fatha comes on the letter, always kasra. Fathatain means 2 fatha. 2 fatha also come up. And kasra comes below the letter and under it. So kasratain means 2 kasra also come under the letter. Like dhamma comes up, dhammatain also come up. What does it mean? Fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain. Fathatain means 2 fatha. 2.
Two fatha, two kasra, two dhamma.
Perfect. Because fatha is a word of Arabic. This is an Arabic word. So in Arabic, when we have to say 2, like we just take a word, kuratun, ball. Okay? Like
Okay.
sometime, like football, ball. So if we have to say 2 ball, it not like 2
Fatha
ball.
ba.
It's kuratain, like 2 ball. So fatha, 1 fatha. Fathatain, 2 fatha. Okay?
Okay.
Kasra, 1 sign. Kasratain, 2 sign, 2 kasra.
Okay.
Dhamma, 1 dhamma, or dhammatain, 2 dhamma.
Okay.
And it comes like you can see here. So how to pronounce and how to read, how to make a sound. Now, you remember in this lesson, there are many alif with the letters. You can see.
Yeah.
We are going to skip all these alif. We will not read the alifs. All these alif we will not read. We have to just say Mim fathatain man.
Mim fathatain man. Mim
Yes, 2.
kasratain bin. Mim
Perfect.
dhamma. Mim dhammatain mum. Man min mum.
Very good. Very good. Man min mun. And now
Min mum.
ba fathatain.
Fathatain bun. Ba fathatain ban. Ba
Ban.
kasratain bin. Ba dhammadun. Ba dhammatain bun.
Yes.
Ban bin bun.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Wow
So
fatha va.
I draw here 2 lines. Up means fathatain. 2 lines down means kasratain, 2 lines straight means
Dhamma.
dhammatain. So I will not draw it more and more because the page will look so. I mean, it will not look very good on a screen. So that's why I'm stopping it. I will just draw a line where you are reading. Okay. Now you are
Okay.
on the letter wow. So wow fathatain 1. Yes. Next.
Waw kasratain win. Waw dhammatain wun. Van win wun.
Yes.
Fa fathatain fan.
Fun.
Fa kasratain fin. Fa dhammatain fun. Fan fin fun. Sa
Yes.
sa sa fathatain san.
Yes.
Sa kasratain sin. Sa dhammatain sun. San sin sun.
Very good.
Dal fathat
Zal, 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 zal. We have to
za.
read this letter and the haraka, which is on under. Okay, not extra letters. So it means we have to skip this ya also. So zal fathatain zan, zal kasratain zin, zal dhammatain zun. Inshallah, soon you will know about. Soon I'll let you know the reason why we are skipping these extra letters like ya, like this alif. We skip this alif. We skip this ya. Why? So I'll just give you the reason inshallah soon when it's needed, but not now. There is no need. So zal fathatain zal kasratain zin.
Zal fathatain zin. Zal
Zan,
dhamma.
zal fathatain zan.
Dal fathatain zan. Zal zal kasra zal zal kasra
Yes,
tain
zal kasratain zin. Sound goes
tain
down.
zan zin zun.
Yes, zal dhammatain zun. Zan zin zun. Soft. Now za is heavy. Za fathatain zan.
Za fathatain zan. Za
Za kasratain.
fathatain zin. Za dhammatain zun. Zan zin zun.
Z sound. Za.
Za ziz zan zin zun.
Za fathatain zan. This one.
Za fathatain zan. Za kasratain zin. Za dhammatain zun. Zan zin zun.
Yes.
Zan zin zun.
Sin fathatain san.
San. Sin kasratain sin. Sin dhammatain sun. San sin sun.
Very good.
Saat fathatain
Son, son, sad fathatain son. We have to make the sound heavy.
Saat kasratain sin. Saat dhammatain sun. San sin sun. Ta
Yes.
fathatain tan. Ta kasratain tun. Ta
Ta
dhammat
kasratain tin.
ka ta kasratain tin. Ta dhammatain tun. Tan tin tun. Dal fathatain da. Da kasratain din. Da dhammatain dun. Dan din dun.
Yes.
Ta fathatain ta tan. Ta
Ton,
kasra
make heavy. Ta fathatain ton.
ta kasratain ta fathatain tan. Ta kasratain tin. Ta dhammatain tun. Tan tin tun. Ra fathatain ran. Ra kasratain rin. Ra dhammatain dun. Ran rin run.
Not run
Noon
arena. Say run, rin, run.
ran rin run.
Yeah.
Noon fathatain nan.
If we say run arena, it's an echo sound. And there are some letters where you have to make an echo sound, but not in all the letters. That's also a mistake of tajweed. Yes, noon fathatain.
نون فتحتين نن، نون كسرتين نين، نون ضمتين نون، نن نين نون،
Yes.
لام فتحتين لام، لام فتحتين لان، لام كسرتين لين، لام ضمتين لون، لام لن لين لون،
Yep.
ظا صا ظا
Bod fathatain dhan.
ضاد فتحتين ظن، ضاد كسرتين زين،
Not zin,
ضاد
din.
ظن
Yes,
ظن
din.
زين زين، ضاد ضمتين ذن، ذن زين ذن، يا فتحتين ين، يا كسرتين ين، يا ضمتين يون، ين ين يون، صاد صاد
Shin
صاد
fathatain shan.
شين فتحتين شن، شين كسرتين شين، شين ضمتين شون، شن شين شون،
Hmm.
جيم فتحتين جن، جيم كسرتين جين، جين جيم فتحة، جيم
Jim
ضمتين
dhammatain jun.
جن جين جون.
Saad will do his class today, or he's also feeling ill.
His mouth is
He's
not
not feeling well still.
yeah.
Okay, may Allah give him shifa completely. Okay, let's go. Kaf
قاف
fathatain kan.
كان، قاف كسرتين كين، قاف قاف ضمتين كون، كان كين كون.
Yes. This one. Qaf fathatain qan. Heavy. Qaf
قاف
fathatain
قاف
qan.
قاف فتحتين قن، قاف ضمتين
Qaf kasratain. Down. Two
قاف
kasra.
كسرتين كين، قاف ضمتين كون، كان كين كون.
Yeah, that was qan, qin, qun.
Yeah.
This one. Qaf.
خاف
Qaf
فتحتين
fathatain
خن،
qan.
خا كسرتين خين، خا ضمتين خون، خن خين خون.
Yes.
عين عين فتحتين غن، غين كسرتين غين، غين ضمتين غون، غن غين غون.
Very good, mashallah.
ها
Tabarakallah.
فتحتين، ها فتحتين ها، ها
Han.
فتحتين عن،
Ha fathatain han. Middle of throat from here.
ها كسرت، ها فتحتين هن، ها كسرتين هن، ها ضمتين هون، هن هين هون. عين فتحتين عن،
An. Ain fathatain an.
عين فتحتين عن، عين كسرتين عين، عين ضمت، عين ضمت، عين ضمتين عون، عن عين عون.
Hmm.
What's that? Wow, right?
Ha. This one is ha. Simple.
فتحتين عن، ها كسرتين هين، ها ضمتين هون، عن هين هون. همزة فتحة أ، فتحتين
Hamza fathatain an. This is big mistake.
همزة،
Yeah. This is
همزة
very popular. Hamza fathatain an. Yes.
همزة فتحتين هن،
An. Say an.
أن،
Hamza fathatain an.
همزة فتحتين أن،
Hmm.
همزة فتحتين إن، همزة ضمتين أن، أن إن أن.
Alhamdulillah. We have finished. Now, they are just writing here something. Let's discuss it in a short time. Then we're gonna finish this lesson, inshallah, and we will do it in the next class. And it's up to you. It's a duty for you. You are responsible to do this lesson. You have to try how to combine the letters, how to make the sound. Inshallah, next time I'll do it with you. Okay. Abadan,
Okay.
ahadun, akhada, adina, amara, ana. How to pronounce and how to like hamza fatha a, ba fatha ba, aba, dal fathatain dan, abadan. You have to keep it doing. Read the next letter and then repeat from the beginning. And almost these words have 3 letters. So hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, aha, dal dhammatain dun, ahadun, akhadha, hamza fatha a, kha fatha kha, akha, dal fatha dha, akhadha, adina, hamza fatha a, dal kasra ذي, أذي, noon fatha na, adina, same, amara, ana. Okay, continually. Okay, let's discuss these letters. Al-huruf al-halqiyya means throat letters. The letter, those you have to pronounce from your throat. The articulation is your throat. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. How many are there? 6.
Yes.
Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. These are called al-huruf al-halqiyya. In English, you can say throat letters. Throat letters. The letters, those you have to pronounce from your throat. Next 4 letters are al-huruf al-shafawiyya. Shafatun means your lips. Halqiyya, halaqun means halaq. Halaq means your throat, and shafatun means your lips. So al-huruf al-shafawiyya means the letters you have to pronounce from your lips. Fa, fa. With your teeth, with the teeth from your lips. Fa, wow, wow, wow. Nothing is involved, just your lips. Wow, wow. Ba, ba, ba. Just from your lips. Okay.
Okay.
Meme, meme, meme. Look at me when I'm reading these letters so that you can understand very well. Meme, meme. Okay.
Okay.
So these are called al-huruf al-shafawiyya, means the letters which you have to pronounce from your lips, using your lips. And these, all the letters are from your tongue. Like your tongue touch the upper part, touch the lower part, touch your teeth, and goes up like, and just it stays in the air, inside the mouth, like the empty area. Qaf, kaf, jim, sheen, ya, dad, lam, noon, noon. Yes. Ra, ra, ta, dal, ta, sad, sin, za, za, zal, ta. So basically there are 3 articulations. Basically, in short, throat, lips, and tongue.
Throat, lips, tongue.
Okay. In details, we're gonna discuss it, inshallah, time to time.
Okay.
Okay, your class ends now. You just take your time and enjoy. I think you are busy before the class. So may Allah Almighty give you tawfiq to do it more and more in a good way. MashaAllah, you are doing very good. Alhamdulillah, may Allah Almighty accept it. And Allahu yubarik feek khairan kathira. And may Allah Almighty also grant shifa, brother Saad. He's not feeling well. So inshallah he will join as soon as possible. Okay, see you tomorrow in the next class, not tomorrow. In the next class, inshallah. Be happy and healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam.